How's it going, team? Connor here, your pocket personal trainer, and welcome to today's bigger, leaner, stronger arm workout that you can perform absolutely anywhere, at home, on your travels, in the gym. All you need is a pair of dumbbells, the power of your own body weight, and if you can, a bench, a chair, just something that you can rest upon to perform your dips. This session is only going to last 15 minutes, but trust me, it's going to be extremely effective. You can always add in another round if you need to make it longer. This session is going to consist of 15 different exercises targeting biceps and triceps, 45 seconds of work, 15 seconds of rest. So I really do want you to bring the intensity. Try to work in around that 8 to 20 rep range with this here, depending on what weight you have access to. It's always better to try to push out heavier weight with good form and intensity. However, we are combining weights and calisthenics together to truly maximize results. This session is performed in real time, so it's going to be you and I working out alongside each other. So let's get it. So team, before I set the timer, the first exercise is going to be kneeling curls. Okay, kneeling, curls like so. If you're only using one dumbbell, you can go preacher curls. So we're going for 45 seconds of work, then we're going straight into dips. So get that bench ready on the chair. If not, you can do diamond grip push-up. Right, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Try to bring the intensity with this session today. 15 seconds, keep pushing. 5 seconds, knock your reps. Good. Okay, take about 15 to recover. Into dips next. Bench, chair, whatever you're using. Okay, try to extend the legs. Down. Drop it. 2 levels, and we bring your legs in. Going. 10 seconds in. 5. 4 now. Okay, the next one is hammer curl, but I want you to go one arm, and then the next set I want you to switch arms. Okay? So this is a cross body hammer curl. Cross the body. Make sure you get the same amount of reps now on the opposite arm when you go to perform the next. Killer exercise. Still got 14 reps. Make sure you get it on the opposite arm. You might find that one arm's actually stronger than the other, but just make sure you get the same amount of reps. 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we
Lovely. Okay, if you have the bench or you can do this standing, it doesn't matter. All I want you to do is overhead tricep extension. Up, over the head. Gonna rev it out. Now this is just bicep, tricep, non-stop, the whole way through for 15 minutes. This is perfect for a burnout at the end of any of the follow along workouts on my channel or your own session. But what it also is extremely effective for, if you add in another round, turn this into a 30-minute bicep, tricep pump and workout, you're going to see some brilliant results, even if you add that in a few times a week on top of your other training, and you try to get heavier weights over time, or you try to push out more reps and more intensity. Five seconds. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Seated. Or you can go kneeling again, or you can do this standing. I'm going to go alternating curls. So, I'm going to go right up, like so. Each rep. Okay, let's go for it. Lovely. Right. What I'm going to do now is a close grip push up. Hands by chest width apart. Now if you want, you can actually push the feet on an elevated surface to make it more difficult. But I'm just going to do it normal on the ground and showcase. So hands by chest width apart. I'm focusing on good form. You can always drop to your knees to make it easier. So, but just try to keep the tension, focus on a bit of mind-muscle connection, coming down and really pushing through the triceps. Full extension, keeping the squeeze. Five seconds remaining. Oh, lovely. Right team, next one is preacher curl. Okay, so all I want you to do, hold the dumbbell, one dumbbell, curling up like so. Preacher curl. I'll do this kneeling. Sometimes whenever you're performing kneeling exercises, you're just focusing more on the arms. Squeeze. Ten seconds. 3, 2, 1. Lovely. Next one, lying down, skull crushers. Lying down, skull crushers. Dumbbells. Right, let's go. So elbows tucked in tight. Come down. Arms are feeling pumped already. Don't overlook how effective these type of workouts can be to really help force muscle growth. Okay, the next one, hammer curls of dumbbells. Straight up, weights to the side. Let's go. Next 10 seconds, keep revving. Try to get past that 8 rep range at least. 3, 2, 1. Okay, next one, overhead extension with one arm. It's gonna be a tough one. Okay, one arm at a time. So one arm, then the next set, switch arms. But make sure you get the same reps once again. I'll be looking to get 8 reps here. Eight is all I have. Keep pushing it if you have more. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Switch arms. Sorry team, the camera cut off, so we're going straight into the opposite arm now of overhead extension. So straight into it. There we go. Opposite arm. Try to push out the same amount of reps. Seconds. 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're nearly there. 3 exercises a minute. All I want you to do now is just normal curls. Okay? Standing, curls, both arms at a time. No alternating, no twist. Just straight down, straight up. Keep as much tension on these biceps as possible. Slow and controlled. Good rest. 20 seconds per minute. 15 seconds. Let's go. Not good. 3, 2. Diamond grip push-ups. 2 more movements. Diamond grips. Brilliant exercise to last these triceps out. Push it out.
Invincible.
20 seconds. 15 minutes. 3, 2, 1. Okay, last one with biceps. Dry curl. Okay, so we bent over, curl curl up like so, like almost like a row. It's an underhand grip row. It's just going to target the bicep really well. So we bend, and like you're dragging the dumbbells up, like so. And keep them squeezed. Squeezing the biceps, elbows tucked in tight. Drag the dumbbells up. Some burner. $15 seconds. 5. Go. 3, 2, 1. There it is, team. What a hell of a session. Our dumbbell only bicep and tricep workout complete. I want to say a massive well done. If you enjoyed the session, please be sure to leave a comment. Let me know how you got on. Leave the video a thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. It's completely free, and the more subscribers, the more momentum this channel gets, the more effort I'm going to put into it to create the best real-time workout. So thanks again. I'll see you in the next one.